So I'm pretty sure that you heard by now that OpenAI has launched SearchGPT inside of ChatGPT, and they've been talking about this for a while. There was actually a waiting list, and I went to sign up for the waiting list last night, but I couldn't get on it because it was closed. And then today they rolled it out, and I saw it in my app when it updated. And so now when you open up a ChatGPT conversation, there's this little internet icon right here that you can click on to tell ChatGPT to search the web and retrieve real-time data from current events for your queries, and it'll bring back citations so that you can do research right there inside the context of a conversation, which makes it very different from Perplexity AI, because Perplexity AI is a search engine, so to speak, and it's a search engine experience, whereas with SearchGPT, it still remains inside the conversation so that whatever research or development or ideas or things you're creating, you can do it right there and never leave the conversation. And that's one thing that I absolutely love about ChatGPT, because it integrates everything right there in the conversation. But let me show you how it works really quick. So for instance, if I wanted to search for Corey McClain, Facebook content monetization, we will see that ChatGPT would actually find me, and it would even tell you about me, as well as bring back one of my videos. Corey McClain is a content creator and entrepreneur who specializes in guiding others on monetizing their online presence, particularly on platforms like Facebook. He emphasizes the importance of creators recognizing their value and transitioning from mere content creation to generating substantial revenue. In his YouTube videos, Corey discusses various monetization strategies, including Facebook's professional mode, which allows creators to earn from their content. He also highlights the significance of establishing independent monetization systems to reduce reliance on platform-based income, thereby offering creators more control over their earnings. Corey hosts the Monetization Equation podcast, where he shares actionable strategies for building sustainable online businesses. Additionally, he manages the Income Creator Pro community, providing resources and support for content creators aiming to enhance their monetization efforts. This is awesome. This is great, because now not only should creators be optimizing their videos for YouTube, they should also be optimizing for SearchGPT, if they haven't already been optimizing for Perplexity AI, right? Because I'm sure there are a lot of people already using Perplexity who are AI power users, but I think when ChatGPT finally rolls SearchGPT out to the public for free use, I think that it's going to be the more common one that people use because it's more widely known. And hear this, ChatGPT is the backup to Apple Intelligence. So when Apple Intelligence can't handle a query, they escalate it to the cloud, where ChatGPT will handle it and pass it back to the Apple Intelligence. So OpenAI never has access to the data on your iPhone. But that proximity to the iPhone, that free brand equity that they're going to tap into by being associated with Apple's new iPhone, is going to pay off in the long run, I believe. Even though people are talking about the iPhone right now, Apple is going to be okay. And eventually, when the younger generation who didn't come up with Google like we did sees that, this is just a different option because AI is going to be a part of their lives, I really do believe that they have the opportunity in 10 to 15 years to really move into that area. And so if you ask me if I think SearchGPT is going to take over Google search and just completely ruin their business model, the answer would be no. That was, at least until I saw that there was an extra little thing that OpenAI did that let me know that they were serious about moving into the search market. Yes, your eyes are not fooling you, and that is a ChatGPT search Chrome extension. You can now use ChatGPT search as your default search engine. So let me show you how this works. I already have it installed. But if we open a new tab, you can see that there's something different, and I'll give you about 2 seconds to find it. Yes, you're correct. There's no Google search bar in the middle of the screen once you install SearchGPT by ChatGPT. And if you look at the URL bar at the top, it's search ChatGPT search or type a URL. So you can still type in a URL and go to specific sites, but this is how you search. And so once again, if I come here and I say how do I turn on Facebook professional mode? And I search that query, it automatically brings me into ChatGPT and it gives me a set of instructions for how to turn on Facebook professional mode. So access your profile, open profile settings, the three dots, scroll to the bottom, turn on professional mode. That is correct. And if you look to the right, it gives me all of the citations that I need right here. Earlier, I was playing around with Perplexity AI and ChatGPT search to see how they were different, and I noticed that Perplexity AI doesn't have a problem bringing back several of my videos at a time, but ChatGPT does not bring back videos as often, I will say. And when it does bring them back, it won't show the thumbnail. They'll be listed similar to this, a very clean and aesthetic look. And I think that's very intentional. And I think that this is good because this can allow different creators to be discovered for the content they're creating without being beholden by the algorithms of YouTube, Google, and Facebook, because ChatGPT can search and index public content all across the internet, and it can bring back the best results that it believes is the best, not based on what Facebook tries to tell it is the best or YouTube says it is the best. I have a video for how to turn on Facebook professional mode that has over 100,000 views, but my video isn't here, March 20th, 2024. So if we click on that video, we can see that this video was posted in March 2024, just a few months ago. 9,000 subscribers. The video only has 71 views. But we can see that this channel was discovered because I used SearchGPT. And so if there's anything I want to leave people with when it comes to SearchGPT, it's this. Do I think that it's going to overtake Google right now? No, I don't think so. But I do believe that they're going to capture a share of the market, and that share of the market is only going to grow if Google doesn't get a hold of its search experience. Everything is ad-based over there. It's pay to play, and it's not organic. Whereas with OpenAI and ChatGPT, it's very much organic, and it reminds you of the old Google without the ads because there are no ads. And I admit, I am paying $20 a month, so that would be equivalent to possibly purchasing YouTube Premium. And maybe Google does something like that. I don't know. Or maybe people just stop using Google and go for other options because there's really nothing else that Google offers besides searching and indexing and serving up queries. Whereas with OpenAI, I'm also getting their AI. In Google, you have to pay extra for their AI. So I don't know. We'll see how this plays out in the future. But one thing I do know is that AI is going to continue to be a part of everything that we do online. And it's a huge opportunity for content creators to get ahead and find the success that they've been looking for. If you want to see more videos about artificial intelligence and how I use AI to help me create content faster and better and research and learn and develop products and work on things, then let me know in the comments and I'll start creating more of these videos so you guys can see behind the scenes how I do it, and so you can do it too and get ahead of the competition. As usual, if you like this video, if you got value out of it, please hit the like button. And if YouTube has finally rolled out the hype button, then hype the video up so it gets more views and more eyeballs. As always, I hope that you have a great evening. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video.